Hello friends, I Narendra Singh welcomes you. I am not a SEBI registered analyst and just sharing my views here. Today we are talking about doji. There are four kind of dojis: standard doji, long-legged doji, dragonfly doji and gravestone doji. Today we will talk about gravestone doji and traders psychology about it. Let's see what a gravestone doji is, why it is formed, its volume, where on chart it is formed, how to trade it and some examples on chart. The reference or name of this candle is taken from grave, as grave is representation of end of the life. In the same way, in trading, price drops towards the bottom. The upper wick of this candlestick is quite long and the lower wick is either no or sometimes a small one. Let's see how this pattern is formed. Suppose price of the stock is moving up and the market sentiments are also positive. Then when the price reaches somewhere around to the top and those who have bought it at lower price, they start booking profit and price comes down. Then this gravestone doji is formed, and then next day seeing the profit booking, other stockholders who have bought it at lower price, they also start booking profit and price started moving downwards. Now let's see the volume. In this chart, buyers are buying and taking the price high and volume is also increasing. And when the price breaks its last high, a bit of profit booking happens and price again moves up. Then as usual, because of the fear of downward movement of the price of the stock, holders sell and book profit. And seeing this, see the volume of this doji candle, it is almost double of the other candles. Let's see one or two more examples, then we will see how one can trade it. In this example, price is moving up, then profit booking happened and top candle is gravestone doji. The same can be seen here in this example. Now let's see how one can trade gravestone doji. Gravestone doji doesn't help in buying, but one can do sell or make short position. And sale position can be made at the bottom of the doji candlestick and stop loss can be kept at the high of the doji candle. And as soon as the price moves down, one can book profit with some quantity, and if price goes down further, you can book the remaining quantity with profit. If you have seen any such gravestone doji with reversal, then please mention the stock name, chart date, candle time and candle time frame in the comment box so that we all can learn together. If you like this video, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Happy trading.